Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews. Today, we're going to talk about the POHIR pressure washer hose, a true powerhouse when it comes to durability and performance. If you're in the market for the best heavy-duty pressure washer hose, this is one product you don't want to miss. The POHIR pressure washer hose is a 50-foot long, high-performance hose built to handle extreme pressure in tough conditions. With a maximum working pressure of 4,200 psi, this hose ensures your power washer operates at its peak performance, no matter the job. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty commercial cleaning or handling regular household tasks, this hose has you covered. One of the standout features of this hose is its construction. Made with a high-tensile steel wire braid, it offers incredible strength and resilience. The reinforced synthetic rubber inner tube ensures longevity and reduces the risk of kinks, giving you an uninterrupted experience while you work. Unlike other hoses that can easily get damaged or twisted, the POHIR hose is designed to be kink-resistant, making it easier to manage and store. What makes this hose even better is its versatility. It's compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers, making it a great choice for a wide variety of users. The hose is also designed to handle both hot and cold water, with a maximum temperature tolerance of up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. Whether you're washing your car or cleaning your driveway, this hose performs excellently in different temperature settings. The hose features a 3/8-inch quick connect fitting, which makes attaching it to your pressure washer quick and easy. No more wasting time trying to connect and disconnect stubborn hoses. The quick connect design ensures a secure and leak-free connection every time. In addition, the POHIR pressure washer hose comes with a pair of M22 14mm adapters, making it compatible with most pressure washers on the market. Another great aspect is the flow rate. With a range from 2.5 GPM to 5 GPM, this hose ensures optimal water flow for maximum cleaning power. Whether you're using it for light residential tasks or tougher industrial projects. Finally, we love the design of the hose. It's not just built for performance, but it's also easy to carry, roll up, and store. When you use it for the first time, make sure to lay it flat to its full length for easy movement and better storage. The sturdy steel braided construction combined with advanced materials makes this hose a long-lasting investment for anyone who regularly uses a pressure washer. In summary, the POHIR pressure washer hose is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. It combines durability, high-pressure handling, and ease of use into one convenient product. Whether you're using it for commercial purposes or just around the house, it will surely make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. So, if you're looking for a hose that offers both power and reliability, the POHIR pressure washer hose is your best bet. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review.